Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to solve each inequality for x. So in A, we have 1 is less than e to the 3x minus 1 is less than 2. So the easiest thing that we can do here is to take the natural log of all of these steps. The log function is a one-to-one function. Therefore, if we know that one value is less than another value, then its natural log is less than the other's natural log. So the ln of 1 is less than ln of e to the 3x minus 1 is less than ln of 2. The natural log of e, since this is log base e of log base e of e to the 3x minus 1, when we have a log and an exponent, they sort of cancel each other out, and we're left with just 3x minus 1, which is less than ln of 2. Adding 1 to both sides, ln of 1 plus 1 is less than 3x is less than ln of 2 plus 1. And we just have to divide by 3 to get ln of 1 plus 1 over 3 is less than x, where these cancel, is less than ln of 2 plus 1 over 3. And this is the solution to A. Next we can do B. If we have 1 minus 2 ln of x is less than 3, we can subtract 1 from both sides. So leaves us with negative 2 ln of x is less than 3 minus 1, which is 2. Dividing both sides by negative 2. This cancels and I'm left with ln of x. 2 divided by negative 2 is negative 1. And since we're dividing by a negative number, we have to swap this to be a greater than sign. Ln is log base e of x is less than negative 1. Therefore, e to the negative 1 is it greater than x or less than x? The easiest way to do this when things are swapping sides, when we're swapping from an exponential to a logarithm backwards, keep x on the same side of the inequality sign. So log base e of x is greater than negative 1, therefore x has to be greater than e to the, negative 1. Therefore x is greater than e to the negative 1 over e. So the inequalities, our solutions are ln of 1 plus 1 over 3 is less than x is less than ln of 2 plus 1 over 3. And for b, x is greater than 1 over e.